everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, I'm back again with Ngcolosi soap stories and to write about Imbewu the seed. I know guys ukuthi istory lesi bayadlala, but hayibo engathi this time basadlala istory sibedlala ngathi ke la kwembewu. Apparently guys, Ngcolosi is alive. Kushuthi ke they promise him a better offer ngoba ngesikhathi efa 2 years back, but it because the producers abafuna ukumholela imali ayifuna ngaleso sikhathi. Should bathe manje ayichavuka ke emathuneni sizokholela imali right, then they came up with the other story. December Tears reveals ukuthi ke he's coming back wayengafanga kwaseqaleni, and I'm like hayibo lo muntu lona wayedutshuliwe and baveza ukuthi he lost igazi eningi, bamfaka kwi life support machine because wengasakhona ukuyiphefumulela. uMaZulu was the one switch off that machine. Manje ke they are coming with a story sithi uNkuleko azange asibheke isidumbu sakhe ngelanga lomncwabo, and nophakade azange aze amgese. Kusho nje balanda nje isidumbu emoshari azange bas identify nokusi-identify. Hayibo guys, nokudlala ngathi ngampela la kwembewu bathi nje bangcwaba umuntu orongi ngaleliya langa. What will happen now guys? Ngcolosi will come back and kick uMaZulu and her children out of his house, including ugogo uMadlovu ngoba bambetraya uMaZulu walala nomfowabo wazala ingane bangamtshela yena waba yisilima. So he will kick them out of his house and he will now bond with his biological children uNkuleko noFikile. As we all know ke guys ukuthi ke everything that happens in the Bengo family iqala yazi uMacingwane. uMandlovu ke useyamgxeka ke manje uMacingwane ukuthi ke why engazange azayitshela ifamily ukuthi uNgcolosi uyaphila ngoba yonke into eyenzekalayo amadlozi aye atshele yena uMacingwane kuqala. And guys, this is how our December looks like Imbewu the seed. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.